So yesterday I had lunch in the convention center and I purchased a small veggie sandwich like this size for $9 and change. It was this small, and needless to say, it wasn't filling. So when I came back, I went to the supermarket. I bought 3 bananas, I bought Skippy peanut butter, and then I bought these 2 yogurt, Chobani. One I might have it now. I also bought this hummus, roasted red pepper hummus, all for $13. So I'm gonna have lunch right now, and I will also have lunch tomorrow. Take bread. I just wanna do it a bit quickly because I have to get back. Hotel is about 10 minutes from the convention center. Sourdough bread. What you guys want to do? You want to do peanut butter today, or you want to do hummus today? I think let's do hummus today. That's what you wanted, right? So, all right. Oh. Let's do a little more. That should be enough, more than enough. How about some pepper jack cheese? I think that should be good. 2 slices. Okay. Really good. Very good. So this is that. Now we're gonna do one more. That we will do peanut butter right here. Why not? Okay. Here comes peanut butter. Check that out. Okay. Creamy. It is creamy. I think this is enough. Maybe a little bit more on this side. But not as much as the other side. Okay, we have this. Now, what we gonna do next? this is what I'm going to do. Okay. Oops. What do you think, guys? Let's put this on. So we have our 2 sandwiches. Yogurt. These 2. 11:30. So I have about 10 minutes to finish it up. I really like Chobani yogurt. Fruit at the bottom. All right. I make coffee in the morning in my room. I was checking yesterday, yesterday, the coffee shops at the convention center. I think it's like $7-8 just for the coffee. I mean, I'm not blaming them. I'm sure they pay high rent as well, and it's just a few days event. But still, $7 for coffee, $9 for the sandwich. All right, so let's go to the sandwiches. Which one is what? This one is the hummus one. Quite big. Oh well. Very good, really good. Okay, my friends, the first one is done. That was really good, very good, tasty. Let's take care of this now. It's big. This is very good. I'm glad I ate the other one first and this one now. Very good combination, very good combination. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed it. I am enjoying it right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it to the channel. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you.